Brethren, welcome to the outdoor brotherly workout experience. It is Christmas morning. The sun is shining. The sky is blue. The thighs are out. We are now in full athletic form, ready to crush one. We can do this one anywhere. You can do it at home. I'm going to show you how you can do it right here in the beauty of what God created for us today. All right, we're going to do 3 moves today. Keep it simple, 5 minutes on the clock. I'm going to do some Bulgarian split squats here on what has naturally created a shelf for those Bulgarian split squats. I'm going to continue to use it to my advantage for some push-up action. And then I've got a nice little platform out here where I can hit some jumping jacks. We'll get some body weight exercise. We'll get some cardio. We're going to crush this one today. Okay, 5 minutes on the clock. Warm yourselves up. I'm not even going to get warm because the sun has warmed me up already. And I'm just amped up and fired up. Look at this. Weaver's needle. I don't know if that's in shot, but it's definitely there, right? Soak it in. Merry Christmas indeed, right? Okay, so pause the video, take the time you need. We're going to do some legs, going to do some pushing, going to do some cardio. I'm going to get started with those Bulgarian split squats. I'm going to have a timekeeper who is not in frame, making sure that I am on time with this one. So we'll start that timer for 5 minutes on the clock. As many rounds as possible, okay? 10 reps of each exercise. I'm going to do 10 reps on the right, 10 reps on the left, 10 reps of push-ups, and 10 reps of jumping jacks. And we're going to go. Ready in 3, 2, 1. Gentlemen, let's go. 10. Deciding whether or not I'm going to keep talking to a minimum and just let the view itself do the talking. 5. Piece of cake. Piece of cake. And pushing. Is my timekeeper keeping time? Oh. 8. Well, 2.5 minutes from when I started, or the video, or the workout. Okay, we're just going to keep rolling here, okay? Whether it's 10, 11, 12, 8, whatever reps it is, what we're trying to show is no excuses. Fitness solutions can be done at home, but maybe your home is out here. Our collective home, Mother Earth, or do we call it in the brotherhood, Brother Earth? I don't know. Get something done, get something challenging. Give your body something it can do to grow, get better. 3, 4, 8, 9. Now I truly feel like I'm pushing the earth away with every rep. We're going to do a back view. Look at it. If I haven't already said, this is Canyon Lake. Somewhere in Arizona. You can find it. Fighting through. Okay. Head into push-ups. And we keep working. This can be done anywhere, bros. Might rough up the hands a little bit, but that's good for us. We don't want these baby soft hands. We want rough, rugged hands. Men who work. Ooh, we got some. Take a listen. What kind of car is it? I don't know if it'll pick up in the sound. Going in, another round. 5 minutes is all you get. Make every second. I think that's a Porsche down there, actually. That sounds like a 6-cylinder. Not sure if it's picking up on the mic, but emphasis on the word canyon for Canyon Lake. People are just driving through here and it's just echoing. But I'm sure they can hear the echoing sound of gains being made right here on this mountaintop. Timekeeper, where are we at? 6. Okay. I'm going to finish this round, and then that's going to take us to the end. Boom. 10 reps apiece. And just for fun, gentlemen, I'm going to add some burpees. I don't like how easy that is. Okay, I'm going to go right here. Going for 10. 2. Finish it out. Victory. Don't end it. Victory, victory, victory. And the spotlight is on to show the world history was made right here, as well as gains. Take that daily dose, gents. See you in the next one.